Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Nagel here. I'm going to teach you guys about Slope-Intercept Form. We covered this in 4.1. And accompanying me is Rowan Winter and Carlos Rodriguez. Okay, so Slope-Intercept Form is used for many things. A lot of people use it to find points on graphs. It's pretty easy to use. You just set it up as a formula. Y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Once you know that, you just plug your numbers in and you can find the slope. Here's an example for you. Sorry, the bell rang. Alright, so let's say 12x plus 3y equals 9. You subtract 12x from both sides to get y by itself. Once we have y by itself, we divide it by 3. Then we have y equals negative 12x over 3 plus 3. Then you get your slope and your y-intercept. Your slope is negative 12 over 3, and convert that to rise over run. You go down negative 12 and over to the right 3, and your y-intercept is where you start on the graph, so you start at 3.
Good job, Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is the vocabulary. In section 4.1, there are two important vocabulary words that are crucial to knowing how to solve equations in slope-intercept form. Number one is slope-intercept form. An equation of the form y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. 2. Constant functions. A number which can be written in the slope-intercept form as y equals 0 times x, or y equals b, where b is any number. Constant functions do not cross the y-axis. X-axis. Why this information is useful? This information is useful because later in the future, if you want to run a business, you might run into some problems like this and not know what to do. This information is also helpful because you could be doing a project in class and have to do a presentation on lesson 4.1 and the future math classes. And I made all these slides, by the way.
Hey, it's Winter here. This is a real-world example. The Band Boost are selling sandwiches for $5 each. They bought $1,160 worth of ingredients. I want you to write the equation for the profit made on the sandwiches. P equals 5n minus 1,160. Then I would like you to graph the equation. Find the total profit if 1,400 sandwiches are sold. 5,840.